Knowing just the previous top or bottom date and price, we can predict dates of future reversals of or future swings of any given instrument, as well as potential price levels. Hi, this is Mario from Forex Other Way. In today's video I'd like to share with you how the square of 9 can help you to forecast the future on example of Standard & Poor's, Dow Jones Industrial Average and DAX daily charts. So let's go straight to it. Let's start the rock and roll. In your emails, very often you ask whether the methodology I teach on my private tutorial sessions via Skype work on DAX, Dow Jones, Standard & Poor's, or on shares, because most of my videos show examples on EURUSD, which I usually trade. My friend, the answer is yes. The universal harmony works on most instruments. It works on shares, indexes, commodities, and currencies. Let me show you my first example on Standard & Poor's based on price as of March 23rd, 2020. Just let me show you. So here we go, based on intraday low from March 23rd, 2020. Remember that very bottom of the market. This calculation made, obviously the calculations are hidden over here, but we've got the date and time. This is my server time, the price adjusted a little bit, and we've got the results showing all the results starting from 2020 going all the way through to 2021, and even recently you see 6th of September, 25th of August this year. So here we go. Where is this? This 25th of August. 6th September was on Sunday. This is 3rd and this is 7th. So I think there was a holiday over here. So the market just from the date started falling. And the next one, 17th September 2021, the market continues its downtrend after this small correction. And before, as you can see, all these tops, small local top, the bottom, another top, another bottom, another top, and so on. So it works pretty well, and shows recently that on September 29th, it will be the next potential reversal point on Standard & Poor's. So if you look carefully over here, we got September 29th, and then 11th of October. Let me just mark it for you. October 11, my friend is here. I think it is somewhere Monday. I just want to show this very interesting because on October 11th, 2021, as of today we are on September 23rd, there is a pretty interesting point on the market. October 10th, Sunday, 2021, as you see here, we got a lovely conjunction of the Sun, the Mars, and Mercury, which is really interesting. And what is more important, just a few days before, Mercury starts on 26 September, Sunday, Mercury starts retrograding motion. So it is very interesting, 26th of September, and we've got marked 29th. 26, I think, is somewhere on 24, 27. 26 is on Sunday, so on Monday, 27th. It looks like interesting point. Usually it takes a day or two till the Mercury retrograde motion just shows the signs on the market, which happened, for example, in 2020. The retrograde motion of Mercury started on, as far as I remember, was February 18th or 17th, and the market reacted on 20th of February, and there was long uptrend on EURUSD at least. So on the other instruments on the markets as well. So around 27, 29 September, it will be one move. And another one, October 11, which is Monday. I just shown you over here. This is this lovely conjunction of, here we go, October 10th is Sunday, October 11th Monday. This triple conjunction is just over. It looks like that on Friday, 3 days before, October the 8th, the market can make a local top or local bottom, whatever. Anyway, reversal is going to occur. The probability is much higher on that date. And around 29th September and 11th October. And this is all calculated in Excel, I remind you, based on this price. The same story happens with Dow Jones Industrial Average. In this case, it's been projected the range between top and bottom, which occurred at that date, 29th of January and 4th of March 2021, and the projections is made as it is. Let me just show you on the chart. So this is maybe not very accurate, but some local bottom here, another bottom here, another top here is calculated, another bottom. All these dates, 18th of June 2021. Just let me show you, June 18, 21. Over here, we've got quite a few of them. August 16, 2021, August 15 was on Sunday probably, so that's the reason the 16th, and another one is 13th, so this is Monday. The calculated date when it falls on Sunday, usually the reversal point occurs next day on Monday, and so on. So it looks really interesting. Next one shown over here, September 24th, as far as I see. 25th of September is Saturday probably. Yes, it is. So 24th on Friday, it seems that the market will top up or bottom. Local swing will occur. Another one, 9th of October again. Look at this one. I told you already about Standard & Poor, and they seem to be very accurate because on 9th is over here. We got just this conjunction to Sun and Mars. And next day is the conjunction. 2 days later is conjunction on Saturday 9th. Here we go. So Saturday 9th, we got this conjunction. So probably Friday might be a day when the market makes a local top or local bottom. Also, same story happens with the DAX. Let me just show you. Here we go. Here we got the DAX calculated here. And we got some days. This is based again on the range base from between February and March 2020. And let me show you on the chart how it looks like. So here we've got DAX. It doesn't look so bad. Let me just show you what happened recently. Actually, the market, the last day, September 15th, shown just the very top of this upswing of 4 days or 6 days. There was a weekend in between. 13th of August, which is 14th of August, was on Saturday, I presume. So that's the reason why 13 was marked as 13. The next one is 16, Monday already. So on Friday, August 13, 2021, DAX made it up. The previous one is July over here, calculated as well. July 14th, 2021. And as you see, July 14th, DAX made a top over here. The previous one is another one, June 15th. Which is again shows this property. The previous May 17th, here we go. That's the date, and the market shows again. There was the end of the local upswing. Obviously, the market opened higher but dropped in 2 days with a big gap between these 2 days, between 18 and 19 May 2021. And as you might see, the next one, which will happen, is 17th of October 2021, which is the next day, is already marked here. 17 is falls on Sunday. So over here we've got October 18th, 2021. So all these points, I remind you, were calculated in advance, showing potential reversals of all these swings. They are not very precise. Obviously, there are methods to filter them, to choose the right ones. but they really work. It's just the market harmony based on the square of 9. So you don't have to buy. You might want to know more about this amazing method of calculating the future. In this case, I invite you to join my private tutorial class. You'll find the contact details just below this video. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care, green peeps, and bye-bye.